Hey guys, happy Wednesday. It's Alex and Taylor here, per usual, for another episode. This week, or I should say today, woke up feeling very not into it and very uninspired, to say the least.
We were struggling.
So we could have used that to our motivation to really tie into this week's theme.
Yes.
Which is?
We were talking about it and we were feeling super uninspired, so we decided to do 5 ways to elevate your summer looks, especially when you don't have time to think about it, when you're feeling busy, rushed.
Yeah, don't feel like getting dressed, don't feel like getting your nails done, don't feel like kidding.
When you just hit a wall, it's one of those Wednesdays. So, And a lot of you guys for the summer, you're going to work meetings, to picking up kids, to going to lunches, to parties, to dinners. You're kind of all over the place.
Moving.
So this is kind of inspired by easy go-to tips, 5 ways to really feel elevated during the summer. So We'll start with tip number 1, which is what Alex is wearing today.
Wait, tell them that I was your muse.
Okay. She loves to hear this. I said, Alex, you were my muse when pulling these outfits. I feel like these are all very Alex inspired. I channeled my inner Alex when pulling these. So.
I love being gassed up. Okay.
Anyways,
it's
tip number 1 is going for a monochromatic look.
Okay.
So that's what Alex is wearing today. You can kind of talk through the pieces you've got on.
Okay. I wore this in stories actually a few days ago, but I love this Lulu Studio blazer, in this fun little beige. It's a really nice lightweight blazer for summer, and then I paired it back to the Tibby bodysuit, just strapless bodysuit, and I'm wearing this size large because we have the medium.
This is
that.
What it looks like.
And then I'm wearing these mousy jeans that you guys are selling out because you love them. But I don't know what these are called.
I don't know.
These are the Aurora wide straights. So at first I was okay, these are a funky fit. I'm gonna be real. I tried these on at first and I was I don't know if I love these. And then I put them on kind of lower waisted and kind of wore them how I would wear a baggy vintage jean. And then I started to really like them. And I feel they're loose and they're chill. And they look really good with a belt or a tank and a simple sandal or sneaker. And they just feel kind of a cool jean. They're kind of a little bit outside of what I feel Mousy normally designs when it comes to denim, which is why I think I like them. But they have a raw hem. They're just kind of, very fun.
What size are you wearing?
I'm wearing the 30. I definitely need the 29 or a 28. We don't have them, but
The 30s look good.
they're fun, as a little oversized pair of denim.
And then what's great about a bodysuit, especially these ones from Tibby, is the material is so comfy.
It's athletic.
It feels like a
stretchy,
almost. Yeah, stretchy, holds everything
durable.
in.
You don't have to do the constant
Yeah, it's got the little built-in rubbers that it stays up, and then it's nice because you don't have to keep tucking it in. That's why we love bodysuits. Yeah, Alex is gonna change it to the next book, and I'll talk you guys through what I'm wearing. But that's tip number 1, is sticking with a monochromatic look. It doesn't have to be this specific look. You could recreate it with something you already own, but it just takes the guesswork out of putting an outfit together in the morning and still feels really polished and put together. So it can be a head-to-toe black, a head-to-toe khaki, head-to-toe blues, head-to-toe creams, just keeping in a monochromatic color palette. The second tip would be to invest or to pull out your floppy, relaxed pants. It's kind of a way to do an elevated version of a sweatpant or a workout legging. You still feel really comfy, but they're just more modern and cool. These ones, I have one from Tibby. This is our last pair of these. These are the size 8, and I just have them worn really low on my waist, and then I have them tucked into a heel because they're too long on me, but I kind of like this look. And then I've got on the cropped Tibby t-shirt, which is just a really great lightweight cotton tee. Love this one. And I threw on the Anina Bing denim jacket. And then we pulled, what did I do with it? Oh, I got it. white baseball cap, which Alex had this outfit on in stories the other day too, and I thought it looked so chic. And a baseball cap is really great to have when you're having a bad hair day or you don't want to do your makeup. It kind of just pulls it all together. I swear I grabbed it, but it's been one of those days, you guys. Anyways, these are from Tibby. The other ones that I pulled are a silky pant from Raquel Allegra. You could also go with a flowy linen pant. Just one of those easy pull-on styles that you can do with sneakers, you can do with sandals. Kate has a couple that she wears up at the lake over a swimsuit. So just having a pair of these in your wardrobe is really a really great option. Love.
Look number 2.
Which is tip number 3.
Oh.
Tip number 3 would be
confuse everyone.
It's all about the accessories. So I had Alex throw on the white. We've got on a pair of vintage Levi's and the white a Goldie Poppy tank. So this is a way to elevate your go-to white tank and denim. And we really wanted to feature some accessories because they can pull the whole look together. And so she is putting on
the accessories.
Thank you. So anyways, we wanted to talk about, how you can just throw on your favorite comfy pair of Lipton vintage Levi's. By the way, we have a full restock in some of these. Check out our Instagram highlights. Alex just did a try on of some of the new styles today.
Some of them were definitely a little tight on me, but if you are typically a 26, 27, the styles that I tried on for the most part today would fit you perfect.
So check those out. Let us know if you guys have any questions. So taking your favorite vintage Levi's or jeans, your go-to white tank, and together it's just kind of it's fine, but pulling it together with a couple of accessories. And then we pulled the Lulu Studio white button down as a layer over the tank top. A crisp white button down elevates any outfit. And this is one of our favorites because it's really crisp and oversized. It can be really casual or be really dressy.
Sorry, that took me.
Look.
Oh, the claw clip is not claw clipping, but that's okay.
I think I want to talk about accessories.
Accessories, okay. Completed works. Chunky, don't look at my gross nails. When I say I've been uninspired, it means not even having my nails done. Okay, but completed works, chunky silver ring. This ring is probably the coolest piece of jewelry I think that we have in the store. I'm quite actually obsessed. It's amazing.
It's one ring.
One ring, but it looks like a gazillion. Next is another completed works stack. It has kind of an uneven set. It's 3. Oh, I have it on my thumb. Okay. There are 3 rings. They're all separate actually, so it kind of gives the vibe of this if this was melted, but it's not. So, okay, anyways, so I love this set. And then I threw on some completed works, silver studs, thank you, silver studs, to match the hardware on this Provenza Schuler bag, which I'm actually obsessed with. Taylor and I are going to buy like 5 minis. And then we just put it together with some baggy vintage Levi's, because why not?
So yeah, this is an easy way, like pulling in your accessories, and then I pull these.
It looks put together when you actually don't want to do a lot.
Yeah, it's just your white tee. You can do the same thing with the white tank and jeans, and then add those accessories. This handbag I really love just because it adds a texture. It adds that like patent leather texture, and then I'll show it one more time because Alex has to change one more time.
Don't mind me.
Thanks, girl. We don't have our model today, so we're making do with just us. But this bag is great because it has the like textural element to it and structural, and just having a really chic handbag with your white tee and jeans is such a different vibe than having your like slouchy hobo bag or your like beat up summer bag or a bag that doesn't feel intentional. I think this feels really intentional, so make sure to check out our new handbag. Hi, Wendy. Yeah, I am wearing, just to like let you know, in these Tibby pants, this is the last size, I'm wearing the 8, and I can wear it in Tibby pants, I can wear a 4, 6, or 8. in most of them, just depending how I want them to fit. If I wear a 4, it's more high-waisted. If I wear a 6, it's kind of a mid-rise, and if I wear an 8, it's a really low-rise slouchy, and the length is really, really long on me, but I think I can kind of, you kind of work with it, but this is the last pair of these. The tank, or the tee, I have a size large, because it's cropped and I wanted it to be a little bit longer since my pants are so low-rise, so I threw on the large, and then the jacket is also a large. And again, we love to do our denim jackets really oversized, but you could do your true to size. Actually, this might be our last one in the Anita Bing denim jacket, but we always have this.
It's the Rory, I'm obsessed with it.
Yeah, it's one of our go-to denim jackets, but we've got some other options as well. I pulled this one from a Goldie, which fits a little bit similar, and it's just kind of a different wash.
Okay.
Okay, this would be tip number, are we on 4?
Honestly, I don't know.
Tip number 4 is go for a matching set.
Yes.
This one is from Veronica Beard. This is what Alex just threw on. Is this linen?
Mm-hmm.
It's like a linen blend short and blazer from Veronica Beard.
Yeah.
It's really chic.
So cute. Why do we love a set? It's because it looks put together, but you really kind of, it's like when you do a jumpsuit, I always say this to customers, a jumpsuit's kind of like a one-stop shop. When you throw on things, you don't have to think about it too much. But with a set, again, it's 2 pieces. You don't have to think about mix and matching and pulling certain things to put together a whole look. When you can throw on a set, it is just easy. It feels put together. So we have several kind of set situations. So obviously with Veronica Beard, for sizing, I can wear the 8 or the 10. I just like something a little bit more oversized. So I'm wearing the 10 as well. We also have a trouser that matches this Lulu Studio blazer. Again, keep it simple with a white tee or a tank. Again, that's a really cool set. What other sets do we have? Oh,
The Tibby, Stella, and Leah.
the Tibby Stella pants in black wool is a great trouser. We have it to go back to the Liam blazer in black.
Or the vest.
Or the vest, which we are getting a restock in. So multiple people have inquired about that. And we have a list of people that are asking about it. So just keep in mind that that's coming.
Or the
Raquel Allegra silk set. We have a matching set in white. It's like an ivory tank and an ivory pant, which is also super great for feeling super put together with minimal effort.
Okay, and then tip number 5 would be to throw on a one and done black dress. This one is from, can you help me with this? This one's from Lulu Studio. This is the, I think it's called the Aura long sleeve dress. And it's buttoned down, I think I got that one. Okay. It's buttoned down the front all the way. You can unbutton it a little bit if you want it to be a little lower. You can unbutton it from the bottom if you want it to be a little bit shorter. But this is, we love a black dress because again, like Alex was talking about, the suits is kind of a one and done. You don't have to think about it. When you wake up and you don't have time to get dressed and you have a lot that you have to do throughout the day, throwing on something like this makes it really easy. You can go from the beach with a sandal or flip-flop over a swimsuit. You can go to a meeting in this. You can unbutton it all the way and wear it as a duster over the white tank and vintage Levi's. You can belt it. You can kind of do a lot of things with this.
Yeah, so good.
I was gonna say something else about this.
Did I interrupt you? I'm sorry.
It's okay. It's one of those. It's one of those days.
Yeah.
But those are our 5 tips. So doing a monochromatic look, using accessories to elevate your basics.
I'm sorry, you guys. I am feeling a little silly.
Doing a matching set. What was the other one? Oh, having a really versatile, floppy, relaxed pant, and then having kind of an everything black dress in your wardrobe. I think those are just, if you can keep that in mind when you're getting dressed in the morning, especially during the summer, or when you're having one of those days where you just aren't feeling inspired, you don't know what to wear, but you don't want to look uninspired, I think it's important to have those things in your wardrobe. This is the size large.
Why do you feel like I need to laugh?
This is the large in the dress, you guys. This is our last one.
It's so good. You can also wear this as a duster Also, would be cute with a jean if you're trying to do a dressier option, but make it feel seasonal. Pairing this back to your favorite pair of denim, and then unbuttoning, and then keeping it buttoned like as a fold down button down, but then leaving the rest open is a really, really cute, flowy, dramatic look, but still keeping things kind of like semi-casual. So keep that in mind.
Do you have anything else?
We have something really exciting to do with you guys next month. It's an IG giveaway. Of course, our audience always follows us. You guys always get the most in time. I don't know what I'm trying to say. Anyways, we're doing an Instagram giveaway, and we're really excited about it because without you guys, we wouldn't be here. And we've just grown a lot on our Instagram, and we're really proud of that, so we just want to say thank you. So we are working out the details, but we will be having an Instagram giveaway.
It'll be a nice shopping spree for one of you, so stay tuned. Thanks for joining us. Again, if you want to shop all these pieces, you can very easily head to our website to rewatch the video, or you don't have to watch the whole video, but over on the side it lists all of the products that we just talked about. If you click on the product, it'll take you to when we're talking about it in the video, which is also really helpful. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you guys next Wednesday.